YouTube, man. Today is the big day, man. Y'all seen the title of this video, man. Today the big day. Moving into my first apartment at age 19. I'm currently 20, but I purchased the apartment at 19 years old. Today I move in. I'm gonna do a little vlog, you feel me? Move in vlog. I'm gonna show y'all the whole process and stuff like that. I'm gonna be coming out with more videos of, how to move out in your teens or early 20s, you feel me? And then just more stuff with the process, stuff like that. So yeah, man, like the video, drop a comment, give me some video ideas that I should do with this topic. I'm probably gonna just start posting more about my life and vlogging, you feel me? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get more consistent in YouTube. As y'all can see, if y'all check my page, I haven't posted in 7 months. But this gave me a reason to start posting again, man. So I'm highly motivated. I'm real excited. I'm just ready to get this lifestyle going, man. Like living on my own for the first time, not living with parents, not living in a dorm with a roommate. It's my first time actually living on my own. So it's a bunch of, it's a bunch of fears and anxiety, but it's also a lot of excitement and big things to come, man. So, hey, like the video, comment, subscribe. Right now, I'm about to head over to the leasing office. I got to meet with them to pick up my keys and, go over some ground stuff, like some rules or whatever. I don't know what it is really, but got to do that. I'm picking up a U-Haul. Got to go grab a mattress and a bed frame. Then I'm going to come back to campus and grab all my stuff and move in, man. So just stay tuned in with me, you feel me? Just, stay locked in with me. Stay throughout the video. If you might find some gems or some little tips throughout the video. And yeah, man, follow me on Instagram. It's linked in the description. And as y'all can see, I'm a little nervous, man. I'm a little nervous, no cap. But I'm about to head over to the leasing office right now. So that's going to be where y'all see me next. Chat, I'm here. I don't know if I'm really going to be able to record inside. So I'm going to try to sneak and record something. But if I can't, y'all going to see me when I get the keys. So yeah, I'm about to head in here right now and do what I gotta do. Handle the business portion of it. And yeah, man, I'll be right back, either with the keys or y'all let's see a clip. So we got it. We got our photo, got our, you feel me? We got our keys, man. Now I'm just walking back to the whip. I'm gonna go grab this U-Haul truck. Everything in the apartment looked good. It's a few minor scratches and stuff, but I mean, this had a previous owner, so that's expected. Yeah, man. Let's just get back in the whip real quick and talk to you. So yeah, man. I mean, we got the apartment. I got my keys, as y'all can see. Get a quick thumbnail type shit. But yeah, I got the keys. I'm about to head over to U-Haul right now. It's about 10-15 minutes away. About to head there, then go back to campus, pack up, and get moved in. I'm not gonna show y'all the apartment until I start moving in. Chat, I forgot to inform y'all, I'm currently driving this fat ass U-Haul truck. I'm pulling back up on campus right now. I'm not gonna lie, this stuff kinda hard to drive. It's a big ass vehicle. It's like driving a car, but you gotta press down 10 times heavier, 10 times harder. So I'm pulling up on the campus right now. Me and the guys about to help me move some stuff to the truck. And then we're gonna head back to the campus. Y'all might not even be able to hear me from all the noise this U-Haul making. I went and picked up a bed and mattress frame. And yeah, man, we got it. Hey, it's getting real right now. I'm not gonna lie, it's getting real. I'm about to park this right now. I'm parking it. Oh shit. This is a big vehicle, I'm not gonna lie. It's a big vehicle, chat. But yeah, I'm gonna tune y'all in when I meet with the guys, and I'm about to walk back into the dorm right now. So I'll get back with y'all as y'all see when this big ass U-Haul. But yeah, man, I'll be right back. Chat, I forgot to tell y'all, we back in the U-Haul truck, it's all packed up. Got my boy Z with me. And I got my boy JJ he in the back. He's suffering right now. We about to pull up to the apartment, and then we about to unload all this stuff. I'm gonna get a little bit of footage of that, and then you feel me? I'm gonna give y'all a little empty tour. Hey, here goes JJ. This the dude that was in the truck. We moving boxes through the elevator to the room. You feel me? So I'm gonna just get back to y'all. I just wanted to show y'all him. I'm gonna get back to y'all once I get everything inside. Hello everybody, so I'm in the crib. Hold on, let me get y'all a little tour. It's a studio apartment. It's just for me for the summer. I'm staying where I go to school at, so I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. So you come in, washer and dryer, kitchen right here, you know, bathroom. Show the bathroom. You know, it's not much, but it's enough for me, you feel me? So I'm not trying to live beyond my means. I want to live comfortably, you know. So I'm gonna transform this whole like area. As y'all see, it's a bedroom. That's what the studio is. It's just a apartment with no like door. So I'm just missing a door to a bed. So yeah, and I mean I find it kind of convenient because I really wouldn't use all the like living room space. It's really just no living room. That's what it is. So I find it kind of convenient for me. Cause it's just me staying here. I don't really know nobody here. So I'm gonna just be here to myself, you know, chilling. I'm gonna set everything up and then, you know, I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna be doing a series on TikTok, like putting my apartment together. So follow my TikTok. I'm gonna put it in the description. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for joining me on this journey. As y'all can see, I'm a little new to the vlog style, so I'm gonna get better at that. I'm gonna keep trying to stay consistent. Stay on me in the comments. Make sure I'm being consistent, man. So yeah, like the video, subscribe, drop a comment what y'all want to see on this channel. More lifestyle vlogs coming soon. But yeah, man, this is my crib. You feel me? Just me. And yeah, I ain't even show y'all the closet space. And yeah, man, Just Bucks. Remember the name and the face. All right, catch y'all, bro.